Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is the Novel Intelligent Garbage Classification System based on the deep learning and an embedded Linux system. This is an abstract, the sharp rise in the rubbish production and the intricate variety of components that make up garbage cause, resource waste and major environmental issues. Recycling decreases trash and however, manual garbage sorting in pipelines requires in difficult working environment, high labor intensity and poor sorting efficiency. In our study, a brand new deep learning based embedded Linux system for trash classification is proposed. There are three sections in our system. In our design network has to classify the garbage using CNN and also display the output in the streamlit. For that, get the accuracy 97% and also calculate the accuracy and loss of our model. The experimental result in this paper demonstrates that the proposed intelligent garbage classification system delivers high performance both in terms of accuracy and efficiency. This is our abstract objectives. Design a garbage classification used for the environment. CNN model. Implement the CNN model with the accuracy of the 97% and then enhance the performance analysis. This is a system architecture. From the image dataset, we want to pre-process all the images and split the data and extract the features and classify using the CNN and prediction, performance analysis, accuracy loss. This is a flow diagram from the image dataset. First one is the data selection and pre-processing by the resizing and the remove noising and split the data as the train and test and extract the features classification using the deep learning and the use and prediction, performance analysis, accuracy and loss. This is a use case diagram from the user point of view. Data selection, data pre-processing, data splitting and feature extraction, classification and performance analysis. These are done at the system. Here diagram. First to load the data and select the data, pre-process the data, split it and extract the feature according to the classes, classify it, performance analysis. Sequence diagram. There are 4 sequences: start, pre-processing, classification and performance analysis. Select the data, load it and pre-process it, split it according to the train and test using the CNN algorithm. Finally, predict the performance analysis. After executing the program, our project run in the console. The first we want to select the data and pre-process it and resizing with the 150 cross 150 sizing and apply the CNN algorithm with epochs of 10 epochs, validation accuracy and then find the validation loss. This is a accuracy graph and this is a loss graph. Finally we get the output. Finally we save the model as the garbage.h5. After executing our main program, our app will be deployed like this. This is a waste classifier. From this, we want to select one images. The paper is selected and then predicted class is the paper. And this is the another example for predicting our testing images. We select one more images and also find the predicted output as the paper.